Live better, feel stronger. The Master Arnold way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy living series. Come and join the wave. It's your time, your life. Let wellness pave the way.
Healthy Living Series with Master Arnold. Episode title: Raw Isn't Always Right. 10 Foods You Should Never Eat Raw, and Why TikTok is Dead Wrong. Welcome to another eye-opening episode of the Healthy Living Series with Master Arnold, where faith, facts, and food collide. Today I've got a message that might save your gut and your life. If you've been blending spinach smoothies, snacking on raw cookie dough, or trying to live your raw food truth because a social media guru said it's cleaner, detoxing, or trendier, hit pause. Because today we're unpacking this truth. Raw isn't always right. Some foods should never be eaten raw, and I'll explain why. Let's get into it. Raw foodism has exploded online. The idea is that uncooked equals more nutrients, more energy, and better health. But while some vitamins, like vitamin C, are sensitive to heat, others become more bioavailable when cooked. Some raw foods, however, can carry hidden toxins, anti-nutrients, or pathogens that your immune system shouldn't have to fight. Cooking isn't destruction, it's protection. It denatures harmful compounds, such as lectins and cyanogenic glycosides, and kills off bacteria and parasites that are invisible to the naked eye. True or false? All nutrients are destroyed when food is cooked. Answer: false. Cooking can enhance absorption and safety. Let's talk about red kidney beans. Just 4 or 5 raw beans can cause intense nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Why? Because of phytohemagglutinin, a toxic lectin. Slow cookers don't reach high enough temperatures to break it down. Only boiling at 212 degrees for at least 10 minutes makes them safe to eat. Takeaway: soaking isn't enough. You must boil kidney beans thoroughly to ensure they are safe to eat. Question: what must be done to kidney beans before eating? Answer: boil for 10 minutes to destroy the lectins. Let's move to potatoes. Especially when they're raw or green, they contain solanine, a natural toxin. Symptoms: nausea, cramping, neurological issues. Green spots equal warning signs. But here's the good news: frying, baking, or boiling reduces solanine to safe levels. Question: what chemical in raw potatoes causes toxicity? Answer: solanine. Next up are mushrooms. Raw white button mushrooms contain agarotine, a suspected carcinogen. Wild mushrooms? Don't even think about eating them raw. Cooking can reduce agarotine by up to 50% and also soften chitin, making digestion easier. Question: what compound in raw mushrooms may be carcinogenic? Answer: agarotine. Now let's look at cassava, a root crop popular in many cultures. Raw cassava contains linamarin, which converts into hydrogen cyanide in your body. That's not a detox, that's a disaster. Symptoms range from dizziness to seizures. Cassava must be peeled, soaked, fermented, and then boiled before it's safe to eat. Question: what toxic compound is found in raw cassava? Answer: hydrogen cyanide. Here's one that surprises people. Eggplant. It also contains solanine, just like potatoes. While most people won't react to small amounts, sensitive individuals may experience digestive upset. Cooking neutralizes solanine and enhances flavor. So skip the raw eggplant appetizers and roast it instead. Question: what compound in eggplant is reduced by cooking? Answer: solanine. Let's talk about flour. Yes, even that innocent-looking bag in your pantry. Raw flour can be contaminated with E. coli or salmonella. And yes, those raw cookie dough cravings can land you in the hospital. Why? Because flour is not heat-treated during harvest or packaging. Use heat-treated flour in no-bake recipes, or better yet, bake it. Question: what dangerous bacteria are found in raw flour? Answer: E. coli and salmonella. Now to the raw milk debate. Some claim it's living, enzyme-rich, or natural. But raw milk can carry listeria, salmonella, campylobacter, and E. coli. The CDC warns that raw milk is 150 times more likely to cause illness than pasteurized milk. Pasteurization doesn't destroy nutrients, it removes the risk. Question: what process makes milk safer? Answer: pasteurization. Next, cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cauliflower. These contain goitrogens, compounds that can interfere with thyroid function. They also contain enzyme inhibitors that reduce the absorption of key minerals. But just a little light steaming neutralizes these effects and even increases antioxidant activity. Question: what compound in raw kale affects thyroid health? Answer: goitrogens. So, let's recap. Some raw foods contain natural toxins, such as kidney beans and cassava. Others carry bacteria, such as those found in milk and flour. Some block nutrient absorption, such as kale, spinach, and mushrooms. Cooking equals safety. Cooking equals better digestion. Cooking equals smarter health decisions. Don't follow food fads. Follow the facts. Question: name 3 foods you should never eat raw. Answer: kidney beans, cassava, flour, and others. If this episode changed the way you see raw is better, share it, and subscribe to the Healthy Living series. Then do 3 things right now: like it, share, and subscribe. Don't let food trends fool you, because here, we deal in truth, not TikTok. This is Master Arnold reminding you, health is not hype, it's wisdom in action. Until next time, stay wise, stay well, stay cooking.
Live better, feel stronger. The Master on the way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day.